this venue, like Jason, Tim, Arlene, Rowie, Sherry, Kyle, Adepe, and I don't wanna forget something. Kuya Josh, and the kids.
Ate Lisel.
Thank you.
Ate
And
Lisel.
Ate and Lisel, thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. And each one of you actually are so important. We chose you to be here tonight to celebrate with us because you've been part of our family, our journey. So we're glad that you're all here. We take some off to celebrate with us. So, I don't know how to to start my speech, but maybe I'll just give you a story. Maybe I'll start with a story. I'll promise it won't be too long because I'm not prepared.
You're not prepared.
Okay, I'm not prepared. So, some of you know that I've been collecting like Barbies ever since I was a little girl. I don't know if you know that. Like I like dressing them up. I like to watch pageant, like beauty pageant, like fashion show. I don't know. I don't know why I like that ever since I was a kid. So I said to myself, if I have a kid, I want a baby girl. But of course, Lincoln came. Where's Lincoln?
Where's Lincoln? All right,
Lincoln! Of course, when Lincoln came, like we fell in love with him, and I wouldn't change him for any other baby girl or million girls, of course. I love him so much. Lincoln, where are you, baby boy? Where's my
Raise
baby
your
boy?
hand. Stand up.
I can see you. I love you so much. So now I have a real life Ken. I don't have a Barbie, but I have a Ken. So I start dressing him up. But still, when I go to like store and see all the girl stuff, and I still have that desire to have a baby girl. So we decided, or I don't know if we decided or it just happened that I got pregnant again. And so I pray that I hope this time it's a baby girl. And God answered our prayer. It's a girl, right? So I'm really so thankful with God. God answered I don't know if it's Arthur prayers, but that's my prayer to have a baby girl. And that's why we named her Anaya, which means God answered. We even named our restaurant after her name, Anaya's, because of the meaning. And so Lincoln. So that's the story behind the